In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta Business Suite for Facebook ads. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create and publish a basic ad using Meta's built-in tools. Let's start right at the beginning. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by typing business.facebook.com into your address bar and logging in with the Facebook account that manages your business page. Make sure you're using the account that actually has access to the page and ad account you want to advertise from. Once Meta Business Suite has loaded, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Look for the option labeled Ads. This is your central hub for everything related to advertising. Click on Ads to open the Ads section. Here, you can see any existing campaigns, but for now, we're going to focus on creating a new one. In the top right corner of the Ads page, you'll see a button that says Create Ad. Go ahead and click that. This is what starts the ad creation process and opens the guided setup that Meta provides. The first thing Meta will ask you to do is choose a goal. Your goal tells Meta what you want your ad to achieve, such as getting more messages, more website visits, or more engagement. Take a moment here and think about the main outcome you want. If you're new, it's usually best to pick something simple and aligned with your business, like more website visits or more messages from potential customers. Click on the goal that best matches your objective. Next, you may see a policy agreement screen. This is Meta asking you to accept its advertising terms and policies. It's always a good idea to quickly scan these so you understand what is and isn't allowed. When you're ready, click on I accept to move forward. You'll now land on the main ad creation page. This is where you set up all the details of your ad. Work through each section carefully. Choose the Facebook page and Instagram account you want to promote from. Set your audience by defining location, age, and interests. Pick your budget and schedule, and then add your creative. That includes your image or video, your primary text, headline, and any links or call to action buttons. Take your time and use the preview on the right to see how your ad will look on different placements. Once everything is filled out and you're happy with how your ad looks and what it says, you're ready to make it live. In the bottom right corner, click on Publish. Meta will submit your ad for review to ensure it follows their policies. After it's approved, it will start running based on the schedule and budget you've set.